بسم الله والحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. My name is Afra and today I am going to go through the translation of Surah Al-Kawthar. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Verily we have granted you, O Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Al-Kawthar, a river in paradise. Therefore turn in prayer to your Lord and sacrifice to him only. For he who hates you, O Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he will be cut off from prosperity and every good thing in this world and the hereafter. Sadaqallahu al-aliyyul azim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.